Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today we're diving into fresh listings of classic motorcycles for sale across America, featuring rare builds, mint originals, and collectible machines you can still buy right now. Number 1. 1978 Harley-Davidson Custom Shovelhead, $8,000, Louisiana. We begin with a beautifully crafted 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, a custom hot rod build created with premium parts and performance in mind. This isn't a stock shovel, it's a purpose-built machine for riders who appreciate old-school Harley character combined with upgraded components. The seller emphasizes its near-perfect, like-new condition and encourages serious buyers to see it in person. Custom shovelheads like this often include upgraded internals, reinforced frames, high-flow exhausts, and performance ignition systems, making them far smoother and more powerful than original factory builds. If you're looking for a classic Harley with attitude, power, and craftsmanship, this one is worth checking out. Two, 1972 Honda CB350, $3,500, Texas. Next is the universally loved Honda CB350, one of the most reliable and approachable classic bikes ever made. This example is remarkably original. Factory paint, original parts, and both electric and kickstart still functioning perfectly. Known for its lightweight handling and smooth twin-cylinder engine, the CB350 became a bestseller in the early 70s for good reason. It's easy to ride, easy to maintain, and surprisingly capable even today. With a clean blue Texas title and excellent running condition, this listing is ideal for riders wanting a low-stress, classic Japanese motorcycle that's ready to enjoy immediately. Three, 1978 Triumph T140E Bonneville 750, $7,800, Texas. Here we have a highly desirable one-owner 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E, purchased new in 1979 and serviced throughout its life by the legendary Jack Wilson of Big D Cycles, the same tuner behind Triumph's famous land speed record machines. This is not just a motorcycle, but a documented piece of Triumph history, complete with original paperwork and service records signed by Wilson himself. The T140E features Triumph's later generation 750cc parallel twin with improved emissions, better electrics, and stronger mechanical durability. Well-maintained originals like this are increasingly rare, especially with long-term ownership and proper documentation. Four, 1977 Yamaha XS650, $5,000, Louisiana. The Yamaha XS650 has earned legendary status for its bulletproof reliability and unmistakable exhaust note, and this 1977 example is advertised in mint condition. Every detail appears clean, polished, and preserved, likely making this one of the nicer XS650s on the market today. These bikes are loved for their torquey parallel twin engines, solid frames, and their suitability for both collectors and custom builders. Whether you want a classic to ride or a pristine example to keep as a showroom piece, this XS650 looks ready to deliver. 1995 BMW R100R Classic, $8,700, Texas. This 1995 BMW R100R Classic is a special edition produced during the final years of BMW's air-cooled Airhead era. As a Euro-spec model, it carries details and trim not seen on standard US versions. The R100R combines the hallmark BMW Boxer feel with modernized features, including a paralever rear suspension, solid-state electronics, and factory luggage. This particular bike comes serviced and ready to ride with new Michelin tires, original toolkit, and clean Texas title. Airhead enthusiasts know how hard it is to find a properly maintained R100R Classic, especially in this condition. Number 6. 1976 Kawasaki 650, $1,100, Texas. For those seeking an affordable vintage project that still runs well, this 1976 Kawasaki 650 offers serious value. The seller reports it starts on the first kick most of the time and also has electric start. The main issue is a non-functioning stator that requires the battery to be manually charged. Otherwise, the bike has no oil leaks and holds a clean title. The mid-70s Kawasaki 650s are known for strong engines and straightforward maintenance, making this an ideal entry point for someone wanting a low-cost classic that just needs light work to be road-ready. Seven. 1967 Moto Guzzi 125cc ISD, $5,000, Texas. Now we move into real rarity, a 1967 Moto Guzzi 125 ISD, a model built for only 1 year with just 75 units imported into the United States. ISD stands for International 6 Days Trial, a brutal multi-day off-road endurance race where riders must complete over 1,000 miles without mechanical support. This bike is 99.9% original, making it a museum-worthy piece for Moto Guzzi collectors. Lightweight, tough, and historically significant, the ISD models were purpose-built competition machines, and finding one in near-original condition is exceptionally uncommon. 8. 1979 Suzuki GS750e, $1,500, Texas. Listed as a non-runner, this 1979 Suzuki GS750e still holds strong potential for restoration. The GS750e remains one of Suzuki's breakthrough machines of the late 70s, known for excellent handling, smooth four-cylinder power delivery, and long-term durability. This example has new coils, new spark plugs, pod filters, and good compression. The main issues, points timing, and brake cleanup, are typical restoration tasks for bikes from this era. With a clean title and an affordable asking price, this GS750e could be a rewarding project for anyone willing to bring it back to life. Nine. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 LTD, $4,800, Texas. The KZ900 LTD is one of the most iconic Kawasaki muscle bikes ever made, and this 1976 example has undergone extensive mechanical work. Nearly every brake component, line, and caliper has been rebuilt. It features freshly synchronized 29mm Mikuni carbs, a coated fuel tank, new dry cell battery, and new tires and tubes. The seller even includes new side covers with emblems. The KZ900 LTD represents the golden age of Japanese superbikes. Lots of torque, stable highway performance, and unmistakable 70s styling. This one is well on its way to being a dependable and collectible machine. Number 10. 1986 Honda CB750 Nighthawk S, $4,500, Louisiana. We finish with a standout survivor, a 1986 Honda Nighthawk S, a model beloved for its smooth inline-4 engine, sporty ergonomics, and unmistakable 80s paintwork. With just 11,000 original miles and only 2 owners, this bike appears incredibly well preserved. The seller describes it as garage-kept, easy to start, and still delivering that classic Honda performance. The red and black factory paint is iconic for the Nighthawk lineup, and unmodified examples like this are growing harder to find. If you're seeking a classic Honda you can ride with confidence, this one checks every box. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Subscribe for more real classic motorcycle deals, fresh market finds, and vintage gems available across America.